How to register your phone on T-Mobile network. If you just got a new SIM or switched to T-Mobile, here's how to register your iPhone on the network in the easiest way. First thing first, enter your T-Mobile SIM card into your iPhone. If you are using eSIM, go to Settings, then tap Cellular, and then select Add eSIM. Scan the QR code provided by T-Mobile or follow the on-screen instructions. Next, turn your phone completely off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. This helps your iPhone connect to the T-Mobile network automatically. Once your phone turns on, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure the cellular data is turned on. Now check if the network name says T-Mobile. At the top of your screen, if you see signal bars, your phone is successfully registered. But if it's not connecting, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or apps, just Wi-Fi password. After your phone restarts, it should automatically register to the T-Mobile network. And that's it, your iPhone is now connected and ready to use on T-Mobile. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.